channel. So today we're going to be doing pin unboxings. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes, and we're gonna do 6 unboxings. I think there's 1 pin per box, and I just wanted to show you, I ordered them from Box Lunch. And I want to show you what else I ordered. I ordered this keychain because you know I love Disney. This is Minnie Mouse keychain. She was $8.90, but I got her for cheaper than that. But we're gonna do some pin unboxing. I got the volume 2 dresses, the volume 1 dresses, okay, so I got this box set, this box set of the dresses, and then I got the bows of the box set, and I got 2 boxes of each. So see, so let's open the dresses first. I think we're gonna open these ones first, and this is what the choices we have. We got Aurora. I believe that's Aurora. Yeah, that's Aurora. Oh. Aurora. Alright. Let's do the next one. Let's see who else we get. Alright. We get Rapunzel. She's pretty. Let's see if you can see the detail. She's pretty. And then next we're doing these dresses. So let's see who we get. This bag is big for no reason. Let's see. Who's this? In all honesty, I don't know whose dress this is, but it's a beautiful dress. So, it's the middle dress on the box, right here. This one right here. I don't know whose dress it is, but it's a beautiful dress. So, I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. And I got the exact same dress. So, and I don't know whose it is. So, we're moving on to the bows. Alright. Ooh, I got Mulan. Yes. I love Mulan, and I love the size of this pin. This pin is beautiful. Alright, let's see what other pin we get. This is the last box, so let's see what pin we get. Alright. We get Snow White. I believe that's Snow White. Yeah. Snow White. She's a beautiful pin too. She's got nice gold glitter. She's got a little default in her where the glitter comes over, but she's still beautiful. I'd rather have Pocahontas. I wonder if I could trade for Pocahontas. I'm gonna see if I could trade the other two dresses that I don't know what they are. So, that I can get dresses that I like. Maybe, Mulan, Jasmine. Maybe Ariel. So, alright. That is my pin unboxing. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, put it in the comment section down below. I do want to thank you for your time, and I do want to thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.